Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. We have a lot to do, so we're going to get busy now. Alright, my cold air return is complete. It's not beautiful, but it's not terrible. It was not a kit. It was just simply a duct with a boot. Had to connect the two, and at the top had to connect to the existing situation. So that's done, taped up, screwed like shit. Yeah, it's the best I could do without like matching parts. So while I was just at Lowe's a little bit ago, I picked up some of these boots to go on the registers, and none of them coincided with my actual measurements, so that's going to be another fun thing. But all Lowe's had was 6 elbows. They had absolutely 0 6-inch pipe. So with those 2 pieces of pipe I have sitting there, and these 2 long oblong, I might be able to get something done here for the remainder of the day. So let's see what I could get going. Maybe I could get one of these or 2 of these. So let's see what's going on here. Alright folks, here's the deal. I had enough material in this room to put these 3 together. The boots are attached to the old one, relatively the same size. Zip screwed so the air is going to flow nicely up. With the 6 elbows that Lowe's had, I got these together. Let's see, I have actually 2 elbows left. So tomorrow I'm going to hit another Lowe's tomorrow morning, and I'm going to get 6-inch duct because I need at least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least, well, I'm going to need like 8 lengths of tubing. I'm going to take an accurate measurement, and I need a bunch more elbows. So I got these 2 that have to come up and over. I got the one. I'm going to try to use these long oblong ducts right here, and I have a couple fittings right there. I got 1, 2, 3, I guess, but I still need to use a round pipe to get it out of here, up and over, and then I can convert it to that other pipe just to use it up, and then reconvert it back to a circle and get my boot up in there. So I do have to pick up other things from Lowe's. I'm completely out of stuff to keep me going here, although it's yeah, it's 4:30. So I'm going to do some cleanup and organize this stuff in here, and we're going to call it for today. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you would do it. You know, leave a comment. I dare you. You won't. Have a good day.